Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing target keywords and intent. This is how you steer the article toward real readers. Identify 1 to 3 primary keywords, then prioritize user intent. Are they researching versus ready to buy? Once chosen, map each keyword to a section or angle so you avoid keyword cannons that confuse search engines. Do this now so titles, meta, and headings will align. This alignment improves click-throughs and relevance, which search engines reward and readers appreciate. Now you build the article body with both readers and crawlers in mind. Use a logical H1 then H2/H3 hierarchy so scanning is effortless. Shorter sections improve dwell time. Write useful, original paragraphs and include keyword variations naturally. This is how you avoid stuffing while signaling relevance. Also optimize media, descriptive alt text, compressed files, and captions. Once done, add internal links and basic schema markup to boost context and help. Finish by publishing with a tight meta title and description that match intent. You want a high click-through rate. After launch, measure impressions, CTR, and engagement. Use data to adjust headings, intro, or meta. If performance lags, run a focused audit. Check mobile usability, load speed, and core web vitals because technical issues block visibility. If you still see problems, examine backlink quality and duplicate content. Fixing those often restores rankings and traffic quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.